Good day to everyone, and welcome to the course on predictive analytics. Actually, this course is one of our required elective specialization in the computer science program. Okay, to start with the background of this course, let me read first to you our course description. The course is aimed to introduce analytics, providing some basic data science tools, statistical tools to individuate regularities, discover patterns, and loss in complex data sets will be introduced together with instruments to analyze, characterize, validate, parameterize, and model complex data. Practical issues on business data analysis and statistics will be covered with specific case studies, also in collaboration with industrial partners. Moreover, for the clarification of the course, my dear students, we will be doing some transformation of our data, which will be used for analysis, and we will identify what appropriate statistical tools will be used for a specific data problem. And we do some validation of the model to ensure reliability and validity of our generated insights, which is very critical inputs that we will share or provide to our target organization. In addition to that, for you to successfully perform this course, we need to start learning these basic statistics to correctly interpret the results, which is actually performed by an algorithms. So therefore, we need to know deeper on how this algorithms works on data. And we also perform a demonstration on how do you build the model using these machine learning tools such as RapidMiner, Weka, or other available tools. And as we move forward to this course, we are expecting you to achieve one of our program intended learning outcomes, and that is to manifest research competence in the area of computer science, meaning you are required to produce a research work as your terminal requirement of this course. To continue, these are the topic outlines of the course for 14 weeks, plus 2 weeks here is dedicated for the major exam, with a total of 16 weeks. As you can see, the topics are very challenging, and I encourage everyone to make an advanced readings and read the supplementary materials that I provided in this course. And I may recommend that you can also visit other video learning content available in YouTube for this course to make further understanding of the course. And with regard to the grading system, we have the following components to accomplish for the entire semester. We have here the written works for 25%. So this is composed of the following. So we have 6 quizzes for the entire term, meaning 3 quizzes per term, 2 assignments, 1 research work, 2 long tests. We have also the performance test of 50%. This is our laboratory works. So we have a total of 8 laboratory works for the entire semester. And we have our periodic exam, which is 25%, with a total of 100%. Now, the question is how to access these components. It depends on our specified schedule of this course. And you can only access this in our official platform, the Office 365. Okay. To continue, this is our course objectives. So you may understand on how you formulate predictive analytics questions And you're required to identify and select appropriate method for predictive and classification models. You also articulate the use of prediction and classification models, demonstrate the process in building the models, and the last one, you may interpret the result of the analysis. Now let's proceed to our lesson and let's first review our previous course on data mining and warehousing. Why? Because we are still working again with data and we need to perform data mining process before we make prediction. But let's first define of what is this data mining. By definition, it is the process of finding anomalies, patterns, and correlations within large data sets to predict outcome involving methods at the intersection of machine learning, statistics, and database systems. And for us to perform the data mining process, we need to follow the four steps in data mining, namely the data sources, data exploration gathering, modeling, and deployment. And let's discuss the four steps one by one. And let's start with this first stage. In the first stage, we need to establish the problem definition here so that we can strategically collect the right data to make a significant prediction. And this data can be coming from various sources like business transaction, scientific data, medical and personal data, surveillance video and pictures, games, digital media, CAD and software engineering data, virtual worlds, text, report, and memos, and the like. For the second stage, we have here the data exploration and gathering. In this stage, this is the application of a sampling method which represents the population of the study. And once we collected the data, then we transform those data and make some data cleaning by eliminating irrelevant data to avoid bias prediction. And we apply some formatting rules set in these various algorithms or learning tools, sorry, like converting the values of a certain variable into a certain operators like numerical, binomial, or polynomial, and the like. And to process this data, we can apply various algorithms and testing the model using these tools. And these tools are RapidMiner, Weka, K9, Apache Mapout, Oracle Data Mining, Teradata, and Orange. And also we have other machine learning tools out there. So if you have the source, then you can also use that. Okay, let's go back to the steps on data mining. We are on the third stage or the steps. For these steps, we are going to build a model. So therefore, we need to split our data in two forms, the training data sets and our testing data sets. Why? For us to check and validate the performance of our model as well evaluate the result. Furthermore, in building the model, it depends on what data mining paradigm is applicable. Either we perform the verification or discovery approach. But in this course, we will focus on the prediction, either classification or regression, and apply suitable algorithms depends on the problem definition of the study. And to the last steps that we have here is deploying the models. So in this stage, okay, we will deploy the model into an application. Moving forward to our course, which is predictive analytics. And let's define first of what is this predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is the use of data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. The question here is why we need to make prediction. The answer is for the company or organization to optimize marketing productivity. They gain competitive advantage. They can understand their customers, identify their areas of attrition, and most importantly for the business operation is to identify new revenue opportunities. And to make prediction, the process in data mining that I have discussed a while ago is still similar to this course predictive analytics. We collect the data, we clean the data, we identify the patterns, we make prediction to develop a plan of action. Okay, for your advanced preparation of this course requirement, I may encourage everyone to start identifying your problem definition as what you have done in your data mining and warehousing course. And please read and check the supplementary materials that I have provided you in this lesson to make you further understand on this topic, introduction to predictive analytics. Okay, so that's all for now, and see you on our next lesson. Thank you for listening.